Hello, sorry for my English. I was having a oil pressure alarm inside the car. More often than not, it's the oil pressure sensor that is going bad. So let me explain you how I did easily this job. First, you gotta remove all the plastic covers right here, and at the bottom here, you can let them hang like I did. And then you see here is the belt tensioner. You gotta use a 19mm 12-point socket like this one with a bar, and you loosen up the belt. You can remove it from here like that and put it aside only. So this is the AC compressor, and the oil sensor is right over the compressor where my finger is. We can see it right now. You can see it right now, but it's there. All you gotta do is remove 3 bolts on the AC compressor, one here, one on the top, and at the other corner at the right. Those 3mm 13mm bolts let you hang the AC compressor just like that. Don't disconnect anything else. And then you gotta see the sensor is gonna be easily accessible with a 24mm deep socket. You unscrew it and it looks like that. More often than not, it's leaking oil from the connector. It's going bad. So you replace it, put it in place, connect it, and then put back the AC compressor with the 3 bolts. Really easy. You torque them, torque the bolts with the torque wrench, like this one, 13mm, at 18 foot-pound. And then you put the belt back on. Good to go. Thank you.